Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we have started the cross product of two vectors. If there are two vectors A and B, then the cross product of these two vectors is A cross B. And it is a vector. It is not a scalar. It is also called as a vector product. It is also called as vector product because after taking a cross product of it, you will get a vector quantity. So A cross B is AB sine theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle between A and B into n cap. What is n cap? It is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Right? So you can say here n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and B. So here AB sine theta is the magnitude of this vector. AB sine theta is the magnitude of A cross B. And what is n cap? N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. It is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Means after taking cross product, you will get a vector. You will get a new vector whose magnitude is AB sine theta and direction is n cap. What is this n cap? Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So students, you can write this as C. C is equal to A cross B, that is equal to AB sine theta into n cap. What is the direction of C vector? Same as n cap. Direction of C is same as n cap, means the C is n cap is perpendicular to A and B. So the vector C is perpendicular to both A and C is perpendicular to both A and B. Direction of C is same as n cap. क्योंकि n cap क्या है? Perpendicular to A, both A and B. तो C is perpendicular to A and B. Is it clear? Now, if I will say this is a vector A and this is a vector B, and the angle between them, you have to take the smaller angle. You have to take the smaller angle. I am saying that the C is perpendicular to A and B. Direction of C is, or the cross product vector is, cross product direction of C, because C is a cross product of two vectors. Direction of C or cross product vector is given by, ये perpendicular तो है ही, is given by right hand rule. It is given by right hand rule. What is this right hand rule? According to this rule, the curl of the fingers, according to this rule, curl of the finger of right hand, curl of finger of right hand gives the angle between A and B, and thumb gives the direction of A cross B. थंब किसकी डायरेक्शन देगा? A cross B की, राइट? अगर हम ये बात करें, ये राइट हैंड है, दिस इज फ्रॉम A to B, एंगल इज फ्रॉम A to B, तो थंब कहाँ आ रहा है? अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. आप राइट हैंड लीजिए, राइट हैंड कर्ल ऑफ योर फिंगर इज फ्रॉम which represents the angle between A to B, and thumb is pointing in upward direction. तो thumb is pointing in upward direction, that is a vector C. और C किसके इक्वल है? That is A cross B. It is perpendicular to the plane and directed outward. Is it clear, student? AB is sine theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. If I will say B cross A, if the angle is from, this is vector A and this is vector B. If the angle is from B to A, so I will use again right hand rule. This is right hand rule, right, in which it is from B to A, and thumb points in which direction? Downward direction. So what is B cross A? It is a vector which is pointing in it is a vector pointing in points in downward direction, perpendicular to plane and directed in which direction? Downward. This is B cross A. You have seen the angle from B to A. So this is, what is the difference between A cross B and B cross B? If I will see this figure, A cross B is in upward direction and B cross A is in downward direction. So can I write A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A? A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A because their direction is reverse. वो कहाँ था पीछे? up. और इसमें हमने राइट हैंड रूल यूज़ किया इन विच द कर्ल ऑफ द फिंगर गिव्स द एंगल बिटवीन B to A, और ये थंब कहाँ पॉइंट कर रहा है? डाउनवर्ड. थंब पॉइंट्स इन डाउनवर्ड. This property, so here it is not commutative. Cross product is not commutative, it is anti-commutative. A cross B is not equal to minus of B cross A. Right, students? So we have discussed what is the magnitude of A cross B. If I have to write the magnitude of A cross B from here, if I will say write the magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of A cross B is AB sine theta. Magnitude is AB sine theta. Now the next is examples of cross product. Which quantity are represented by cross product? First is torque. Torque is represented by this symbol tau. एक आप C बनाए रूफ लाइन. Tau is equal to R cross F. Right. Second is angular momentum. Angular momentum, that is represented by L equal to R cross P. Right. P is a linear momentum. Third is linear velocity and angular velocity relation. V is equal to omega cross R. What is linear acceleration? A is equal to alpha cross R. So these are the quantities which are represented by the cross product of these physical quantity. Torque is equal to R cross F. F is force. L equal to R cross P. P is a linear momentum and R is a radius vector. Linear velocity is V equal to omega cross R. A equal to alpha cross R. Now I am discussing the physical significance. Physical or geometrical meaning of cross product. What is its geometrical meaning? If there are two vectors A and B, this is vector A and this is vector B, right? What is the angle between them? Let us suppose it is theta. So we can write mod of A cross B as mod. I am writing only its magnitude. This is AB sine theta. This is AB sine theta. Now if I will complete this parallelogram, this is vector B, this is vector A. If I will complete this parallelogram, then I can write this as O, P, Q and this is S, right? So what is this A vector? It is represented by the side OP, and this B vector is represented by OS sine theta, right? B vector is represented by the side OS. This is mod of A cross P. Now I will take this perpendicular, draw this perpendicular SN, draw this perpendicular. So in triangle ONS, I have to calculate what? This is SN divided by what? I have to calculate this perpendicular. SN divided by OS is perpendicular over hypotenuse is sine theta. So SN is equal to OS sine theta. SN, ये ट्राइंगल लिया आपने ONS, तो इसमें मैंने SN कैलकुलेट किया. SN is OS sine theta. Put this value in above equation. इसमें आप put कर दीजिए. So A cross B becomes OP into OS sine theta. ठीक है, तो ये OP क्या आ जाएगा? This is SN. OS sine theta is this. OS sine theta is SN. OS sine theta is SN, right? So what is this OP into SN? If I will say this is OP into, ये हमारी फिगर थी, I am drawing it again. OP A vector this is vector B, this is Q, this is S. तो हमने यहाँ ड्रॉ किया था एक परपेंडिकुलर SN, this is theta, right? तो what is SN into OP? This is equal to area of parallelogram. This is area of parallelogram OPQS. So mod, this is the physical significance. Magnitude of A cross B will give you the area of parallelogram OPQS. ये mod आपको देगा area of parallelogram OPQS. Right student? Now after this, क्योंकि ये sides आपकी parallel है, if I will take mod of A cross B, right? This is OP into SN, multiply and divided by 2, multiply and divided by 2. तो अगर मैं यहाँ से triangle complete करूँ, if I will complete this triangle, now what is this mod of A cross B? It is the twice of half of base into height. This is twice of area of triangle OPS. अगर हम ये triangle देखें OPS, तो इसका half of base into height. Base is OP and height is SN. So this is twice the area of triangle. So magnitude of A cross B is twice the area of triangle. So this we will use in the numerical. Means mod of A cross B is equal to area of parallelogram, or you can say the twice of area of triangle OPS. Now the next is cross product for unit vectors. Cross product for unit vectors. Unit vectors are आपके कौन से हैं? I cap, J cap and K cap, right? These are along x axis, y axis and this is z axis. Here it is I cap, it is J cap and it is K cap. Right, I cap, J cap and K cap are the unit vector along x, y and z axis. If I will say I cap cross J cap, I cap cross J cap मतलब these two vectors are x along x and along y axis. तो इसका थर्ड वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर कौन सी डायरेक्शन में होगा? दैट इज along z. तो ये होगा आपका I K cap. अगर मैं कहूँ what is J cap cross I cap, it is minus K cap because we have used here A cross B is equal to minus of B cross C. ठीक है, तो अगर यहाँ पर I cap cross J cap K cap है तो J cap cross I cap कितना होगा? माइनस K cap. Now J cap cross K cap is I cap and K cap cross I cap is, this is third vector which remains left is K cap cross I cap, this is J cap. और अगर इनके रिवर्स लिखें, इसका रिवर्स लिखें, K cap cross J cap is minus I cap, this is I cap cross K cap is minus of J cap. Here how you can learn it? देखो इसको अगर आप cyclic order में चलाएं, I के बाद J के बाद K, right? If you move it in the cyclic order, तो साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में है तो आपका जो भी थर्ड यूनिट वेक्टर होगा यू हैव टू टेक द पॉजिटिव ऑफ दैट. लाइक आई कैप क्रॉस जे कैप, थर्ड वेक्टर इज के कैप, यू हैव टू पुट पॉजिटिव साइन. कि इफ जे कैप क्रॉस के कैप थर्ड वेक्टर इज आई कैप, तो आई कैप आ जाएगा. के कैप क्रॉस आई कैप लिखें तो क्या आ जाएगा? जे कैप. बट इफ़ इट इज़ इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर, मान लीजिए आई के बाद जे आ रहा है, जे के बाद के, सपोज आई विल राइट जे कैप क्रॉस आई कैप, दीज आर नॉट इन सीक्वेंस. The reverse sequence become, or third vector with the negative sign you will get. If they are in cyclic order, then there is a positive vector with the third vector. If they are not in cyclic order, अगर cyclic order में नहीं है तो we have to use the negative vector with the third vector, right? What is the cross product between two similar vectors? Between two similar vectors, it is, अगर हम similar vector यानी I cap cross I cap लिखें, its magnitude is 1 1, और what is the angle between them? sin 0, right? तो ये आपके पास कितना हो जाएगा? this is 0 vector. J cap cross J cap तो भी कितना होगा? ये 1 into sin of 0, it is also 0 vector. K cap cross K cap, it is 1 into sin 0, it is also 0 vector. So cross product between the two similar vector is a 0 vector. Next is, ये हम यूज करेंगे इसके कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में. नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. First property is cross product is anti-commutative. Cross product is anti-commutative. Anti-commutative means A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. One thing is you can see the direction जो भी हमने किया, अगर आपके पास ये A है, ये B है. What is the angle between them? Smaller angle you have to see. A cross B is AB sin theta into n cap. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. तो अगर मैं कहूँ write down B cross A, तो B cross A में आपका B A sin of minus theta you can write into n cap. Why? Because the angle get reverse. अगर ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में तो क्लॉकवाइज एंगल B cross A. This is minus B A sin theta into n cap. तो ये B cross A is minus of, this is minus of A cross B. B cross A is equal to minus of A cross B. So it is anti-commutative. Second is it is distributive. It is distributive. In this distributive property, we can say this is A cross B plus C. Here you have to see the order. This is A cross B plus A cross C. ये आएगा. Third, cross product of two parallel or anti-parallel. Two parallel or anti-parallel vectors are 0. दो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन, अगर दो वैक्टर्स सेम वैक्टर्स में ले क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, तो दिस इज ज़ीरो वैक्टर, राइट, बिकॉज एंगल बिटवीन देम इज साइन 0. नाउ हाउ मेथड टू फाइंड द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट बाय डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड. Method to find cross product by determinant method. See, if I want to write A as AX I cap AY j cap plus AZ k cap, and B is BX I cap plus BY j cap plus BZ k cap, and I want to calculate A cross B. तो आप पहले first you will make a determinant, put I cap, J cap, K cap here, and write the coordinates of A, AX, AY and AZ. This is BX, BY and BZ. Right, put here sign positive, negative and then positive. First, how we'll find it? It is a vector, so first row and first column. If you want to write the coefficient of I cap, if you are moving from left to right, multiply AY BZ. लेफ्ट टू राइट गए ए वाई बी जेड, बट राइट टू लेफ्ट आएंगे विद नेगेटिव साइन ए जेड बी वाई. फिर यहाँ पर माइनस जे कैप ए एक्स बी जेड माइनस ए जेड बी एक्स. ये देखिए इसको क्रॉस किया, ए एक्स बी जेड माइनस ए जेड बी एक्स प्लस के कैप किया. दिस इज ए एक्स बी वाई minus ay dx, right? Now its question I will discuss in the tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you. So do the practice of dot and cross product. Thank you.